Question number 3 from standard 5. Ethel Reid recently joined Bloomington Investment as a research analyst. After spending an afternoon looking through the research team's archives, Reid is not sure Bloomington maintains the records that support the team's analysis and recommendations for the minimum 7-year period called for the standard 5C record retention. Now, Ethel has recently joined the firm, and after joining the firm, she is feeling that she's not sure whether the company is maintaining all the records for 7 years. So as per standard 5C record retention, if there is no company policy of or if there is no law, then in that case you should maintain the records for 7 years if nothing is in place. If there is a company policy, go ahead with company policy. If there is a law, go ahead with the law, something like that. But if there is no company policy or law, then maintain the records for 7 years. So she's not sure about that. So what is Red's most appropriate course of action? So let's look at the options. Decline to participate in any new research until she can verify that the firm is in a compliance with the standard. Okay, decline का तब आता है when it is about the supervisory responsibilities. If there are no proper compliance procedures in place, then straight away decline the supervisory role. But if there, in this case, she is not sure about record retention policies, so no need to decline on the working on any of the like research. It is not like it would be a too like extreme step. So no need to do this decline to participate in any new research. So that's why A is ruled out. Keep her own copies of the relevant records and maintain them at home for a minimum 7-year holding period. Even this is not the correct thing, because if you maintain the records in your personal computer or like personal laptop which is at home, it would be violation of standard 4A, loyalty to the employer. You should not take any data of your employer. So if you are, even if the intention is to maintain the records, still you are copying the data in your personal computer, and that data or that work belongs to firm, does not belongs to you. So if you are doing that, maintaining the records in your personal laptop, it would be violation of standard 4A, so which is not recommended or by the CFA Institute. If you do that, it would be violation of the standard 4A, because as per standard 4A, it is required thing. You should not copy the data which belongs to your firm or employer. So even B is not the correct action. So the correct course of action would be correctly mentioned in C. Review the firm's record retention procedures with her supervisor or the compliance procedure, a compliance officer, to ensure that they comply with the standard or suggest ways to bring them into compliance. Now, this is one of the recommended thing for the standard 5C record retention. So we have been asked the perfect or the what is the most accurate course of action. So whatever is mentioned in the option C is a recommended thing. So she should review the firm's record retention procedures or the policies and encourage her firm to comply with those standards, or how they can do that, suggest ways to bring them in compliance. So this is a recommended procedure, but the most correct course of action or the appropriate action for her to do this thing. So the correct answer for this is C.